This is the Tuni G1 Coffee Grinder, which was very kindly sent to me by Tuni, free of charge, for the purpose of making videos. So in this video, we're going to unbox it, we're going to see what's inside, go over the features, and give it a test run, of course. So let's start by taking it out of the box. Now, one thing I have noticed with Tuni products is that their packaging is very nice. It is, they do a very good use of space. I mean, the first thing that we see at the top is the manual, that's right here. And then as we take it out of the box, we see that everything is very tightly packed inside. So they have it available in two colors. One is silver and one is ivory. The one that I got here is the ivory black. Okay, so very carefully taking it out of the box. And we see that it is very well protected. So at first glance, I can see the base. So I'm going to very carefully just turn it to the side. Take off this cover right here. And yes, the base, or actually the top rather, is black and it's made of plastic. And we got some parts inside that we're going to look into in just a second. We got the base right here. And you can see the base is nice and big and heavy. I like that it's heavy for stability, of course. And we got a cord. Now the cord doesn't appear to be too long, so I might have to move this to the side some to be able to do the test run. But we'll see how we can manage that. I might have to get an extension. All right. So inside, and I'm going to show you with my second camera angle that I have right here. Inside the burr, well, actually, we can see inside. We can see the burr, which is what I'm trying to say, and there is a locking mechanism. So basically, you turn it to the left, and there you see that it aligns with the unlocked icon. And I guess you pull this out, and this is in case you want to clean it. So this is one part of the burr, and the other one is down there. So again, to put it back inside, we simply push it in, twist it to lock, and put this down. So now it's ready to put the container on the top. Okay, so as we can see from the front, and I'm wondering if this is actually the silver one, but no, it's black right here. And this should be a screen, a touch screen. So we're going to check it out in just a second. And we see some tape that we need to remove. And so after removing the tape, we see that we have this holding base right here. And apparently you should be able to just set your portafilter right here. And as you can see, it's a perfect fit. It actually holds it right there. You can see that. And of course, this is a perfect fit primarily because this is a Tuni portafilter. So I'm guessing your mileage may vary with other brands of portafilters, but it should be kind of standard though. So from what I can tell, this base can be removed. It's kind of loose, so yeah, you can remove it in case you don't need it or you don't want to have it. So very easy. Just push down and it's locked into place. So I really like that I can just set the portafilter right there, and the grounds will come from right here. Now let's continue to set this up and also see what's inside the container. So when opening the lid, we can see that there is a little cleaning brush. So that's gonna come in clutch in case you need to clean the burr. Okay, I like that. And here we should have another container. But let's take a look at this one first. You can see that there is an indicator to see how fine you're going to have your grinding. So you have values for French press, drip, pour over, and all the way to espresso. So that should be the super fine ones. And this should be the ones that I would like to use because I used actually the Tuni E2 espresso machine. All right, so this is the other item that we have inside the bigger container. I should probably put the other camera down and open this right here. So we got two pieces. And let's try to see if we can figure this out without looking at the manual. So this is, it looks like a magnetic. So, oh, this is a funnel. So I'm guessing that we should be able to use this right here. Perfectly, yes. I wanted to have a funnel for this portafilter for a very long time now, so I'm very happy that it comes in this Tuni G1 grinder. So it is magnetic, so it's not coming off, and it can also fit this, I think. Again, let me use both hands. And no, it actually doesn't fit the other container. So these are separate items. Okay, so good to know. Very nice of them to include a portafilter. Now the Tuni E2 grinders, the Tuni E2 espresso machine has a 58 millimeter portafilter, so it means that this funnel is made for 58 millimeters portafilters. Okay, so if you have a 58 millimeter, then it should fit just fine. It's going to be too big for other sizes of portafilters. Now, you can, let's see, if you want to use this to receive the coffee grounds, then you should remove this base, and then you can just set the cup right here. And oh my god, this is an unexpected. Look, it is magnetic. It is not going anywhere. I'm putting it side to side, and well, of course, it's fell down right there. But see, it is not moving. It is magnetic. I didn't notice this had a metallic base, or actually, it's not metallic. It's just like a rubber style magnet. So that's so nice. Okay, so in case again you want to use a portafilter, then you set the base right here, set the funnel, and if you set the funnel, I am guessing the base it's not going to be held by the hook, at least not that securely, unless I remove this, and I can have that little hook right there. Definitely secures the portafilter, but you can still use the funnel like so, except that, let me see, it was actually being held here, the Tuni scale, also by Tuni, by the way. And I would say that if you want to use the funnel, then you do not use the, or you want to use pour the grounds rather directly into the portafilter, then don't use the funnel. You probably don't need it though. So there's that. So I would use the funnel to pour the grounds from this container right here. So again, for the test, I'm going to have to remove this, set the container here, and then test the grind. All right, so this is how you set how fine you want the grounds to be. So you turn this, and there's an indicator here that will line up to the container. So right here, I got it all the way to the far left, and I am going to insert the container, and the container should, I guess, align with the arrows right here. There we go. So I twist it to the right, and it is not going anywhere. So it is fixed right there. Oh, there's a slight locking right there. And you can see that the arrow of the container aligns with the lock right here, the close lock. And then this one is the one that aligns with the grinding level. So to test it, of course, I'm going to set it to espresso. I would say maybe number 4. This is, of course, going to be a trial and error based on your preferences. All right, so let me just get an extension, and I will turn this baby up, turn this baby on, actually, and then give it a test. Okay, so now that I have my extension, I'm just going to plug this in, and it is a polarized plug. So I'm just going to carefully put it in, and we got a number right here. And I'm wondering if this is the grind setting. Okay, I don't really know what the number means. It probably means the amount of time that's going to be grinding. So let me get just some coffee grounds. I mean, some coffee beans. Right, that's the last of the coffee beans that I have. So hopefully that's going to be more than enough for the test. So I got the container right here, right in the center. And if I know Tuni products well, this should be just a matter of and there we go. That was super easy. And we got the coffee grounds right there. As you can see, this is very, very finely grounded. Now there is some sticking. Of course, I think that I should have sprayed with a little bit of mist to prevent that, but it does have some anti-static that allows it to not have too much material stuck to the walls of this. So now I can just a scale right here. I'm gonna turn it on with the portafilter on, and we're going to see how many grams of coffee we grounded in just a few seconds. Having the funnel is a game changer, really. I really wanted to have one. Right, so some adherence to the size. Okay, no big deal. And it says that we got 5.6, 5.7 grams. Okay, and that was just in a matter of seconds. And as you could see, it was pretty much instant. Now the buttons should allow us to, again, start and stop on demand, set a timer, and set specific amounts. Okay, so I'm going to have to check the manual, of course, but usually with Tuni products, you can set or you can program the machines to do specific amounts. So that's one thing that I really like about the E2 espresso machine. So you should check that out as well. But if all you need is a grinder, then this is definitely an amazing grinder. I didn't need to spend all my coffee beans, and that's great. And oh my God, it smells so good. The coffee smells so good. Well, yeah. So very, very high quality grinder. I am really happy with this. I am definitely going to be using this. Oh, I got some spill right here. And there you go. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, may God bless you all.